How was your journey?
It was great. Oh my God.
Thank you very much for coming for our home in Mkulima, Rarieda. Yeah, Rarieda is considered almost semi-arid, and we only enjoy rainfall around this time. So we try what we can. We try to do regeneration work, and these are men and women of our two joint groups. We work together with Rosemary. We've also established some syntropic farm on some of our members' homes and in schools. So just small demo farms to encourage, and people are getting interested. Robbie, to give this.
Just don't make me plant one more baby.
You are going to plant it there. You are,
Yes. Oh, here you go.
yeah, this Miss Robbie. Miss Robbie must survive. Yes.
Okay. Now this one is true for Rosemary.
Okay, here we go. You ready, Rosemary?
I'm ready.
There you go. Okay, you ready? Ready, Rosemary?
Okay, I go fast.
There we go. Yay! Cooking
Let's
oil.
decide.
Mom.
Yeah.
You got your
Thank you.
coconut.
Okay.
These are seeds that were not manipulated by man. They were made by God.
Yeah.
These are God's seeds.
Yes. Thank you so much, Robbie. Thank you so much. Where we have the 5 rows, of course you know the 5 rows of syntropic. The tree line, the grass line, the vegetable line, the grass line, and then the tree line. In the tree line we have a tree in every meter. Every meter we have a tree. These are fruit tree, these are timber tree, a banana. These are fruit tree, though it's showing some bad signs, but it will pick up the wood tree, another fruit, another wood tree, another banana, another fruit, another wood tree, another fruit, and then it continues like that. That one is the first one we started with. That gave us the inspiration. Maybe you could look at it before you come and put this one for us.
Before I come and plant one
So
more
this,
banana.
yeah. So it continues that way. Banana, a wood, a fruit, another fruit is here. Then, so though we cover them with the vegetables. So you might think that there is nothing here, but you know this one, okra.
Oh,
This one is
love
pigeon
okra.
peas.
All
Yeah,
right.
yeah. This one is the jack bean. We have a variety of plants. This is chia seed. Yeah, so they're covered all over with this, with the vegetables. So they disguise us a bush, but the tree is coming. Have the cotton coming here. See some vegetables. The sukuma wiki. You know this is medicinal.
You know what?
Sina.
We have this in Costa Rica.
Yeah.
And it's medicinal,
Yeah,
but we
yeah.
use it for different things in Costa Rica than you guys do in
Okay,
Africa. Isn't
yeah.
that weird?
So I'd love
use
to
it
learn
for?
some.
We use it for skin.
Yeah, that one is what it does.
You just get the leaves
Okay.
for animals too. It's good. You can use the tea to wash animals.
Yeah, little
Helps
crocodile.
it keeps ticks off.
That's Robbie's banana. No, we can't do that. You want to plant a coconut tree? The one is there. Hello, my name is Androniko Tieno from Mkulima Sasa Regenerative Agriculture. Here we try to promote regenerative agriculture because we have seen how much the normal agriculture has failed. I'm a trained syntropic teacher and a permaculture designer. I have a farm here that we grow 5 lines of beds where we have a tree line, a grass line, a vegetable line, another grass line, and a tree line. The grass line is meant to irrigate the farm. It's also meant to get the mulch and the biomass that we put back into the same system. And the vegetable line you can use for your own choice. So that's what we try to train members to adopt, because it is resilient. It is it doesn't need the pesticides, doesn't need the chemical fertilizers, and it's also permanent. You have food in abundance, and you also have food in succession, and in different stratas that help shade or maybe cover for the other crops. So we find it working because this area is almost semi-arid, and we only receive rainfall once a year. There's a good rainfall. So that's why we thought syntropic system would be the best system for this kind of area, and we are trying to penetrate the areas by training and training more, from the old people to the school-going children. Thank you so much, Planet Asano, for coming here. We welcome you for more engagement.